Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Update iPhone 13 to the latest iOS so dual SIM features are current, and confirm your carrier supports eSIM. Have the physical SIM ready and the eSIM QR code or carrier app details on hand. Insert the physical SIM into the tray now. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular to begin adding the eSIM. This immediate setup avoids back and forth with carriers and gets you into the activation flow without delays. Next, scan the eSIM QR or use your carrier's app under Settings Cellular Add Cellular Plan. Follow the carrier prompts to install the eSIM profile. Once both lines appear, tap each to assign clear labels such as primary and secondary so you can distinguish them quickly. Make sure to choose which line is default for voice and SMS, and separately choose your cellular data line. These choices determine how calls, messages, and mobile data route. Configure them now to match daily use. Finalize by testing. Place a call and choose the outgoing line, then send a message to confirm both lines work. In Settings Cellular, monitor per-line data usage and control roaming to avoid unexpected charges. If a line won't activate, restart the iPhone first. If that fails, reset network settings or contact the carrier with the eSIM activation code. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation stalls, remove then re-add the eSIM profile after a restart. This often resolves provisioning glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.